morning, Honorable Senator Mark Villar, Asay Nero Miranda, Specialities of Export, Chairman William Ko, Yusek Marcos Salceda of BBM, Vice Executive Director Lourdes Miran, Yusek Naral Sanchez of BBI, Dr. Nina Gabor, Mr. Eric Rato, Senate President Pasay, Dr. Mario Andrada, Yusek Eduardo Zenitega of POP, Yusek Kamintuan of POP, Yusek Espina Nobel BBI, and members of the diplomatic community. Please allow me to read the message of the Secretary of the Culture, Secretary Francisco P. Jr. Firstly, I commend the Department of Trade and Industries Center for International Trade Expositions and Missions for again organizing this remarkable event. The International Food Exhibition Philippines, on its 17th edition, continues to showcase our world-class food products to the rest of the world. Here we highlight our renowned coconuts, bananas, pineapples, durians, mangoes, and other export commodities to food enthusiasts and buyers seeking unique flavors and innovative products. Beyond serving as a B2B platform for global buyers and grocers, IBEX stands as an opportunity for us to promote sustainable agriculture, foster international partnerships, and facilitate trade opportunities. Last year's editions of the IBEX saw a 52% growth in negotiated and actual export sales.